So teach us to number our days that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom. Today we're going to do a little year-end review for math. So we're just going to go over a few of the math concepts that we've learned over the last few weeks, okay? So you'll need to know this stuff as you climb second grade mountain. You need to know these things so that you're ready for second grade. One thing we're going to review here is fact families. So I have a little circle here and it has some numbers under it, and we're going to figure out which fact family they belong to. Okay, so I'm going to pull them out and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, I have 4 minus 1 equals 3. Which fact family would that belong to? It would belong to the blue one. 1, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, let's get another one. Here we have 8 minus 2 equals 6. Which fact family would that belong to? The yellow one with the 2, 8, and the 6. All right, let's grab another one. Oh, wow. 15 minus 8 equals 7. That's a really big one. But we see the 7 and the 8 here and the number 15. So we know that 15 minus 8 equals 7. That's from that fact family. Okay, let's pull out another one. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Whoops. Mrs. Zimmerman. Okay, let's see if I can get it right this time. Okay, 9 minus 3. Which fact family does that belong to? The red one, right? 9 minus 3 equals 6. Let's get another one. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that would go in the blue box. Remember that fact families have 2 addition and 2 subtraction. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Goes to the yellow box. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Are you thinking of them along with me? 6 plus 3 equals 9. What color do you think that would go in? That would go in the red family with the 3, the 6, and the 9. So I'm going to put that up here. All right. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Orange box. Orange box. Let's keep on going. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Well, that's easy because those were just swapped, right? That goes in the same family, orange box. 7, 8, and 15, all in the same fact family. 1, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So that's going to go here in the blue box, right there in the blue box. And see what else we have. Ooh, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So that's going to go in the 3, 6, 9 fact family. And remember, facts, they never change, just like God never changes. There's some things that never change. So once they're in that family, they don't leave. Oh, look at this. 4 plus 4 equals 8. This one's kind of funny because we always said that fact families have 3 numbers. Well, this one only lists 1 because you can double the 4, and that's part of that family. So it's actually 4, 4, 8, right? 2 plus 6 equals 8. I think that goes in this yellow one right above it. And then, let's see here, 9 minus 6 equals 3. I think we've completed our first fact family because we have 4 facts, 2 addition, and 2 subtraction. 3, 6, 9. So that one's done. Yay! Let's see which one else we can complete. 8 minus 4 equals 4. That's going to go here in this green box. We would call that subtracting a double. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Oh, we're completing another fact family. Here we have 2 subtraction and 2 addition. 1, 3, 4. Okay, let's see if we can find out the last ones. 15 minus 7 equals 8. And that one's complete. 8 plus 7, 7 plus 8. 15 minus 7, 15 minus 8. All part of the same fact family. So we should just have one left. Do you know what it is? It's from this fact family. Let's see. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So now we have all of our fact families. Yay! Fact families are fun, and they're easy to figure out once you realize a fact family is 4 facts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 operations or 2 signs like plus and minus, and 3 numbers, 7, 8, 15. That makes a fact family. So what other fact families can you think of? Okay, we're going to review some time. Here it says 6:30, 8 o'clock, 9:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30, 4 o'clock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a clock out of the honey pot, and we're going to see which one it matches to. Okay, on this one you can see the long hand has cut the clock in half, and the short hand is between the 6 and the 7. So what time would that be? 6:30. All right, very good. Let's do another one. Oh, the clock is cut in half again, so that's got to be a 31. The shorthand is between the 2 and the 3. So 230, right? I'm going to put that there. Okay, let's look. Oh, we've cut the clock in half again. Clock's cut in half between the 9 and the 10. That would go to 9:30, right? 9:30. 9:30 or 9:30. Ooh, now we're at o'clock. And the shorthand points at the 2. I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's kind of far away. So I'm going to put that at 2 o'clock. Okay, we got 2 more. Let's see if we can find where they go. All right, let's see here. Oh, long hand pointing to the 12, short hand to the 4. What would that be? 4 o'clock. So then the last one should be easy, right? We call that process of elimination. Short hand pointing to the 8, long hands at o'clock. We say that's 8 o'clock. All right, let's take a look here. We're going to practice counting some money. I have quarters, dimes, nickels, and penny. Let's practice counting our quarters together. You're going to need to know that for second grade. Second grade teacher told me. We've been reviewing it a lot on our worksheet, so hopefully you know. 25, 50, 75, $1. Let's try it again. 25, 50, 75, $1. So if you have 2 quarters, 25, 50. If you have 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. If you have 4 quarters, $1. Okay? 4 quarters makes $1. Here it says, this one says 53 cents. So I'm going to put up 2 quarters to make 50 cents, right? And then what else do I have to use to add the 3? Well, I have to use pennies, right? I have to use pennies. 1, 2, 3. So 53 cents. 2 quarters and 3 pennies is 53 cents. The next one says 46 cents. I could use a quarter. I could use 4 dimes. I could use 8 nickels. I could use 40 pennies. Let's start with a quarter. See if we can have the smallest number of coins as possible. So that's 25. I can't use another quarter because that'd be too much. So let's go a dime. That makes 25, 35, 45. Is that enough? I need 1 more, right? To get to 46. All right, next we have 31 cents. 31 cents. Let's start with a quarter. We can use a quarter. 31 cents, okay? So that's 25, right? 1 quarter is 25 cents. I can't add a dime because that would make it 35 cents, and that's too much. How about if I add a nickel? 25, 30, 31. Okay, let's try again. Oh, they're getting smaller and smaller. 17 cents. Can I use a quarter? It's too big, right? So let's try a dime. I use a dime. I could use a dime and 7 pennies. If I want to make smaller change though, I'd use a nickel. So that's 10, 15, and then 2 more pennies. That's 17 cents. All right, last one, 8 cents. It's teeny tiny, not very much. I could use 8 pennies. I can't use a dime because 10 cents is too much. Let's try using a nickel. 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. All right, you guys are learning so much. You'll need to know this stuff for second grade. Okay, here I have a ruler. Now this isn't real about what size the ruler is, but I'm going to use the ruler to measure my line segments, and then we're going to choose the correct answer over here on the side. Okay, let's take a look. How many inches do you think it is? Can you see? It's kind of hard to see. Might have to squint hard. 6 inches. Let's see if that's right. I'm going to click it. Yay! 6 inches. Okay, the next one. The next one says either 4 inches or 3 inches. Let's put it up there. Use your magnifying glass. Can you see it? It goes all the way to the 4s, 4 inches. I'll pull you a little closer to make sure you'll be able to see it. Go closer. Maybe now you can see it good. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one, the yellow one, is it 8 inches or 8.5? Well, remember we line up our ruler with the 0 or the end of the ruler, and it shows in between the 8 and the 9, so that's going to be 8.5 inches. Let's see if it's right. Yay! Green check mark. Here, let's line this one up. This is 1 or 1.5. What do you think? Can you see it? In between the 1 and the 2 is 1.5. So let's click it. Yay! Green. Okay, let's try it again. The blue one. Here we go. 5 inches. Click it. That's right. Okay, let's go up here to this red one. 7.5 or 8 inches. What do you think? It looks like, I moved it over too far. I gotta line it up. Looks like 7.5. Yes, let's click it. We got it. Okay, last one. 1 inch or 2 inches? I think it looks like 2. 2 inches. Okay, last one, next one. Is it gonna be 7 or 6 inches? What do you think? What do you think? Do you have a guess? Well, let's see. It looks like 7 inches. All right. Okay, last one is so teeny tiny. It says 1 inch or 1.5 inches. What do you think it is? Let's find out. Okay. Boom. 1 inch. Yes, and this is our last one. Everyone take a deep breath, because when we're done with this, we're done with math for the year. Here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. 7 inches or 7.5, 6.5. Looks like 6.5. Let's see what happens. Yes, we got it all right. Okay, so that is it. Make sure you're staying up on your math facts. Make sure you're staying up on being able to count time. Make sure you're staying up on counting your coins. When you get money, trying to count it. Make sure you know how to count those quarters. You know your math facts. You know how to measure with a ruler. These are all great and important things you can do all summer long. I love you guys, and I wish we were having this lesson in our classroom, but I'm glad we could meet together this way. If you have any questions, make sure you call me or text me, and I hope to see everybody soon. I'll talk to you later.